Okay, so good evening, everyone. I hope my audio is clear, and I would be talking about data visualizations, and my target audience would be maybe junior data analysts or people that wants to shift into data analytics. And yeah, so I'll start with a question. May I ask the audience, like, what do you think about these charts? These charts, they are from Beautiful News, or information is beautiful.net. So if you're seeing my screen, actually these are very colorful charts, and they are beautiful charts. But it's that's not just doing data visualizations. It's more of a step by step or a project life cycle. So this is from Data Sciences Institute from the LSU. So first is, what are you trying to solve? What is the business question that you'll need to answer? And second, do we have reliable data? Do they have tests or duplicates? And third, we can explore and analyze the data with various tools like, I don't know, Python or Excel. And four, after analyzing, we learn and conclude ourselves. And the most important part is to communicate the results or communicate the results to our customers or or stakeholders. This is where data visualization comes in. So how about this one? What do you think about this chart? It's just black and white. It's just a simple, maybe ball pen paper map. But did you know that this actually one of the visualizations that changed the world? This is from 1800s, Dr. Jon Snow, not from Game of Thrones. Dr. Jon Snow is a physician. He made this cholera map. So before, it was thought that cholera is airborne. But when he plotted the infected people and their houses in black, they noticed that the they are near the water pumps. So cholera is the outbreak is lessened, and cholera was included as a waterborne disease. So that's one of the visualizations that made history. Yeah, so when I tell you why do we visualize, it's because of these things. So if I told you that this is a dinosaur, would you believe me? Yeah, why do we visualize? We record information, analyze, confirm the hypothesis, and most importantly, trends are easily seen, or we can communicate clearly, more effectively to users. So when I tell you this is a dinosaur, I think you wouldn't believe me. But if we plot this in an X and Y, so this is what it looks like. So we see the whole story of the data. And some theory, there are four levels of visualization design. We have the domain, abstract, action, idioms, and algorithms. So first is the domain. Who are the target users? Is it the marketing people? What are their problems? What happens if you got the domain wrong? You misunderstood their needs. So for example, the marketing department is unsure if their campaigns are effective. So you wouldn't give them maybe finance data. And the next level is abstraction. What data can we use? How do we solve their problem? What happens if you got this wrong? You're showing wrong data. So imagine they are looking into conversion rates or marketing data, but you gave them finance or pricing data, so it will be wrong. And next level is the idioms. How is it shown? How do we visualize the data? And what happens if you got it wrong? The way you show it doesn't work. So for example, here is an example of a sales funnel. It's usually the marketing department wants to track this. There are the leads, prospects, opportunities. So you don't give them time series data or a bar chart, but a funnel is okay for this sales funnel. So you can Google this chart or this thought starter, chart suggestions. What would you like to show? Is it a relationship, which is a visual scatter, distribution, histograms, composition, a pie chart, or comparison is the like bar charts. Yeah, and then lastly, the level is algorithms. Uh, what do we use to develop this visualization? Is it maybe Excel or Tableau? This is where data engineers shine. They make the visualizations faster. So if you got this level wrong, your code or chart is too slow. So do we use like Excel or Google Data Studio? That's just an example. Yeah, so if you don't follow those four levels of visualizations, you'll maybe the users or the customers will interpret it wrongly or or imperfect. So how to lie with visualizations? So this is an example. Year on year, if you show this on the left, interest rates are like going up, but that is the wrong way to do the visualization because it has like three digits. If you start at zero and just have the correct digits or decimals, I mean, interest rates are just going steadily. About this one, if you do, you show this to investors, cumulative annual revenue, they see, oh, your company is doing well. But if you look at the absolute value of the year-on-year trend, it will just be a downward trend, so it's not good for the company. Yeah, so I'll end this presentation with how to make your data products 10 times more valuable. So if yeah, if I want you to like get something from this presentation is what decision are you trying to make when you're doing these data products? What action will you or your customer will take if once you have these answers? Yeah, thank you. And back to you, uh, host. Thank you.